Hello students of class 7, myself Chikla Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach you Social Science chapter number 1, Two Big States part 3. Students, in part 1 and part 2 we have completed our explanation. In part 3, students, we are going to write down notes. So students, open your notebook and note down the notes which I am giving. Students, write the heading lesson number 1, Two Big States, and then open your textbook and write maximum 20 drill words in your notebook from your textbook. Then give the heading question number 1 A. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question. The first one is, who had imprisoned Rajashri? A option is Chandragupta, B option is Samudragupta, C option is Devgupta, D option is Vishnugupta, and the answer is C, Devgupta. Second one, with the help of which Buddhist monk, hermit, did Harshvardhan get his sister Rajashri liberated? A option Nagarjuna, B Divakar Mitra, C Prabhakar, D Gnaneshwar. Answer is B Divakar Mitra. Third one, where did Harshvardhan hold religious conference every 5 years? A option is in Prayag, B option is in Banaras, C option is in Kanauj, D option is in Mathura. The answer is A, in Prayag. Fourth one, which great poet of Sanskrit adorned the court of Harshvardhan? A option is Kalidas, B option is Bhavbhuti, C option is Bharvi, D option is Ban Bhatt. The answer is D, Ban Bhatt. Fifth one, which university educational center was famous worldwide in the period of Harshvardhan? A option is Nalanda, B option is Takshashila, C option is Vikramshila, D option is Vallabhi. Answer is A, Nalanda. Sixth one, from which town did gold find its way to India because of trade in the period of Harshvardhan? A option Paris, B option is Geneva, C option is Rome, D option is Istanbul. The answer is C, Rome. Number 7. Which Chinese traveler attended the 6th religious council held by Harshvardhan in Prayag? A option is Ting, B option is Lutz, C option is Fahian, D is Yun Stang. The answer is D, Yun Stang. Number 8. Which king of Chalukya dynasty performed Ashwamedha Yagna? A option is Kirtivarma, B option is Pulkeshi II, C option is Pulkeshi I. D option is Mangalesh. The answer is C. Pulkeshi I. Ninth one. Which king of Chalukya dynasty had a splendid Vishnu temple constructed in Vatapi? Question mark. A option is Pulkeshi I, B option is Mangalesh, C option is Kirtivarma, D option is Yashovarma. The answer is B. Mangalesh. 10th one. Where did the empire of Harshvardhan is after being defeated by Pulkeshi II in the battle? Question mark. A option is till Ujjain, B option is till Saputara, C option is till Tapi, D option is till Narmada. The answer is D. Till Narmada. Question 1b. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words or numbers. First, Harshvardhan took charge of Dash throne after getting his sister Rajyashri liberated. The answer is Kanauj. Second, Harshvardhan raised a wide empire in North India after carrying on his victorious journey for dash years. The answer is 7 years. Third one, Harshvardhan forgot even his meals in dash good deeds. Answer is good deeds. Fourth one, we can know many important things of Harshvardhan's period from dash event today. The answer is Harshcharit. Number 5. Dash was the principal of Nalanda University in the period of Harshvardhan. The answer is Shilbhadra. Number 6. The name of Grand and Prosperous Library of Nalanda University was dash. The answer is Dharmaganj. Number 7. Dash shield of land revenue was recovered from people in the state of Harshvardhan. The answer is 1/6. Number 8. Dash coins were used as currency for trade and exchange in the period of Harshvardhan. The answer is gold and silver. Number 9. Einstein has noted that there were dash Buddhist hermitage monasteries in the states of Harshvardhan. 100 Buddhist. Answer is 100 Buddhist. Number 10. The capital of Chalukya Solanki dynasty in South India was dash. The answer is Vatapi. Number 11. The flag of Pulkeshi I bore the sign of Varaha Avatar. The answer is Varaha Avatar. Number 12. Pulkeshi II ruled over for about dash years. Answer is 30. The answer is 30. 13th one, the kings of Chalukya (Solanki dynasty) were devotees of dash religion. The answer is Hindu religion. Number 14. Dash was the last Hindu emperor of ancient India. Answer is Pallava king. Question 2a. Write whether the following statements are true or false. First one. Devgupta was a king of Malwa. True. Harshvardhan was the elder brother of Prabhakarvardhan. The answer is false. Third one. Harshvardhan had divided his daily routine into 5 parts. Answer is false. Fourth one. The great poet Banbhatta had composed inverted comma Kadambari full stop. Answer is true. Fifth one. Harshvardhan had composed the play inverted comma Harshcharit full stop. Answer is false. Sixth one. Acharya Nagarjuna was a famous alchemist of Nalanda University. Answer is true. Seventh one. There was inverted comma religious equality inverted comma close among the people of Harshvardhan. The answer is true. Eighth one. The Chinese traveler Hyun Tsang had stayed in Nalanda University for 15 years and studied Buddha religion. Answer is false. Ninth one. The Chinese traveler Hyun Tsang had returned to his country in 625 CE. The answer is false. 10th one. Inverted comma Ashwamedha Yagna inverted comma close was performed by Pulkeshi II full stop. Answer is false. 11th one. King Mangalesh had made the capital Vatapi a very charming town Nagar. Answer is false. 12th one. In the period of Pulkeshi II, the influence of inverted comma Digambar sect of Jain religion had increased. Full stop. Answer is true. Question 2b. Match the following. First one. The valiant king of Kanuj. Answer is Harshvardhan. Second. The valiant king of Vatapi. Answer is Pulkeshi II. Third one. Acharya Shilbhadra. Answer is Nalanda University. Fourth one. The composer of Harshcharit. The answer is the great poet Banbhatta. So students, that's all for today. We have completed our part 3. The further will be given in the next part. Thank you.